Welcome guys to my Google Classroom. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to go from one place to another. So everyone should at least be seeing this one right here, this one right here, this one right here. This one you will not see because it is teachers. You will see these three. So I'm first going to go into Coach Garza's. So what you see, you click on it. What you see here, I know See Heaven's already here, is you will see the workouts that they will be uploading for you. I don't know if it's going to be weekly yet or if it's going to be daily. So it will not always be the first one because people comment so that everything gets pushed down. You need to scroll down so that you can see. Here you go. There is a video here. Scroll more down. There is some workouts here. They're images. You click on them. And if this happens, it should be retrying for you. Other than that, I cannot tell you more because I did not upload this. It was Coach Garza. So none of these pictures work for her. Keep going. And if it does, then you know what, guys? I'm not doing this today. I'm going to do something else. I'm going to do this. And then you see comments. Okay. You scroll all the way up. Sorry, I'm scrolling fast. Go to classwork. You need to check if there's anything there that needs to be done for you. And there is. There is a video for Zumba. So I'm going to click on it. 30-minute cardio. Click on that and it should open with YouTube, as it says right there. Now for me to go back to where Coach Garza posts, it's called Stream. I click on that and I should be able to see everything here. Now, if I need to go back to any other classes, I'm going to click right here at the top, classes, or they come out here. I'm going to go to classes. We're back on our home page. Now I'm going to go into Miss Garcia's homeroom and math. And you see that this is all due Monday. All right, guys. I'm going to click on here. Again, as people are posting, everything that I post gets pushed down. Okay, so you need to scroll to see if there's anything that I posted because see all these people, they comment, so then my stuff gets pushed back down. So I know I had this right here. This is the most important one. It says, this is what you'll be doing from 1 to 2 p.m. in your math Google Classroom. So here in this homeroom math, this is given to us from the district. However, math is a little more complicated to create assignments for in Google Classrooms. If you have a printer, please print out the weekly pages and complete it on the pages. If you do not have a printer, which a lot of us do not, please use a sheet of paper, maybe use a journal, so everything's stored in one place to complete the problems. You will need to turn in pictures of completed pages every Friday through Sunday. I don't expect you to be turning them in every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday. If you want to, that's fine. But they need to be completed by at least Sunday the latest. You will be turning in pictures on the assignments section of this Google Classroom. Okay, you have 2 PDFs here. What does PDF mean? They're documents. This is where you're going to get the things you need to do. First, click on 4th grade math plan. I'm going to click on that. It tells me everything I need to do. Look at my week, March 23rd to March 27th up here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Next week, what am I going to do? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The week after that, what am I going to do? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Good Friday, no classes. It is all here for you. Okay, I'm going to go back right here. Now, I have only posted this week's document, week 1. It says March 23rd to 27. Each week, I will post the newer week. I'm going to click on it. There we go. You have everything you need to do for this whole entire week. I have my basic facts. All of it's right there. Like I said, if you have a printer, you may print. If you don't, I'm going to put A and work it out. B and work it out. Skills. Okay. Now, this happened to some of you. It did not want to load the rest of the document. And you know what? That is perfectly okay. Because I'm going to show you where I got these documents from. So I'm going to go back. Okay. So, and I wrote it right here. If the document for the Sharon Wells page does not open, you are able to get on the pages by doing the following. You're going to click here, click elementary, click 4th grade, click math, then click week of March 23rd to 27. Look at your calendar depending on the week that you're in. Okay? So I'm going to click it. I'm going to show you what it's going to do. Click it. Just like Computer Lab, it opened a tab. Oh, this is not the right tab. See, this is where Miss Garcia did the wrong link. It looks like the right one. I don't know why it's not coming out. Oh, I know why. Okay, I'm going to edit it. This is, like I said, it is a trial and error. I think, no. It should be that one, guys. All right, I'll try to fix that link because obviously it's not working. So like I said, it is trial and error. I am learning with you guys. So I'm going to open a tab here on the side. I'm going to put www.psjaisd.us. There you go. That's where I messed up. Okay. So the link doesn't work. Put the PSJA page. And right here on the corner, we have e-learning. We click on that. Okay. We go down. Elementary, middle school, high school. We are in elementary, so we click on that. Now, what grade are we at? 4th grade. We click on 4th grade. Now, here are both the documents that I uploaded. Each week, I will make it easy for you, and it will be on the Google Classroom, and you'll be able to access it there. If for some reason it doesn't work, this is the way to go, okay? Then you go math. Okay, so it should load. We have this week, and the plan, which is the one that tells you what to do daily. I'm going to go to this week's. Click on that. It's going to open it up for me. Everything is there. Okay. Now I'm going to exit out here at the top. Back here. Next week's. What am I doing next week? Oh, there it is. Click on it. And I have everything for the week after. Okay. Exit out. Now I'm going to go back because I want to look at my reading now. Language arts. Okay. Look. Español, inglés, español, inglés, español, inglés. So we do English. So I'm going to click right here. March 23rd to the 27th. Click. Look, it tells me what to do every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay? Monday's just to read the story. Tuesday, develop activity. Wednesday, check for understanding. Thursday, word study and spelling activity. Friday, language and conventions activity. And it's all here. There's your story this week. Should have read it. I'm going to scroll a little fast. I'm going to go through all the story. Okay, now we get off to the first one. Develop vocabulary. That should have been done Tuesday. So it says, define each word and then use it in a sentence about a topic from the list. In your sentence, underline the topic from the list. Okay, so what do I have to do? A definition and a sentence. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my Google Classrooms. Let's read up here. Language Arts, PSJA, Miss Garcia's homeroom. Oh, this is where my Google Classrooms is. I'm going to click it. Okay. I am on math. I need to go to reading now. I'm going to click the side button here. My classes. Reading class. Classwork. Okay, so we said that the one for Monday was this one, right? Develop vocabulary activity. Click on it. Okay. I don't know if this is how yours looks because this is the teacher one, but you do get this link right here. It says emissions, excessive, underline, and innovative. Okay. Let's go back to the PDF. Let's see if it looks similar. Over here is a PDF. Emissions, excessive, underline, innovative, and what? Okay, it is. So what should my answers be? Definition and sentence. Definition. And then whatever it is. Sentence. Then whatever it is. Okay? And then you submit at the end. All right, I'm not going to submit. I'm going to go back. Leave the page. All right, now let's look at this one. Check for understanding. That should be the next one. So let's go to the next tab. Oh, it's right there. And guess what you will see in this form? The same exact questions. Now you just need to answer them and submit. Okay. Let's exit out of here. Word study activity. Let's go down. Word study, it says up here. So you have to select which one. Over here at the bottom, it says decode the words. Confirm your syllable break. So we're doing the clapping for syllables. So I'm going to go up here. It's right here, word study. And look, Miss Garcia made it easier for you. You just have to select which syllable is correct. Athlete or athlete. And you just select whichever one it is, and then you submit at the end. So they are all mimicked, meaning that they, remember mimicry? It's the same, okay? So make sure you submit here. Let's go back to stream. Remember that PDF I showed you? It's right here. You have it here, okay? So the harder one is going to be math because I cannot do it like this because it's very complicated to put all of it in there. Let's go back to our math class. Classes, math, and classwork. All right, right here. I have lots of comments. Miss, I can't find the book. Miss, I can't find the book. Guys, it's on the stream. If not, I showed you how to get it from the PSJA website. Okay? Basic facts. It says, please take pictures of all your basics fact work and submit it here for credit. So, nobody has turned it in yet, right? You have to click on the link and then submit it with pictures. If your parents want to send it through me, through Class Dojo, you can. That is perfectly okay. I'm going to edit this. I know what I did wrong. It is psj.us/learning. Okay, that link should be good to go now. Let's click it. And we're there. Okay, so that's making it easier for you. Okay, any other questions that you may have, please let me know on Google Classrooms, okay? Thank you, guys.